Always keep your finger off the trigger and around the trigger guard unless you're ready to fire. And keep your mask on too.
Joey's letting me shoot. Joey's letting me shoot his Glock.
Don't show the serial number.
Aim right here.
I'm trying to come out here like as much as I can now.
Whoa.
Oh!
Dude.
You just don't know me.
Yeah.
You could know me.
Like, you guys are funny when you're not when you're not playing characters. I don't think you realize that. I think it's like, oh, it needs to be like confusing for the audience. Like, it doesn't need to be confusing.
I don't think it was
for the
very.
audience.
It was pretty straightforward. Like,
Yeah, from my
know
point
what
of
we
view,
do.
everything was pretty cut and dry.
Yeah, but it's from your point of view.
Well, I mean, you're coming in from, you know what I mean, you don't
An
know
outsider
us.
perspective. Yeah.
And everyone is, so I don't think that.
yeah, they don't know. You know what I mean?
Either
Well,
way.
I don't know. Like, so many f***ing Sam comments are just.
Let me tell you this, they don't know. Nobody knows anything. Nobody knows anything about anything.
That's why it's kind of f***ed up because like you don't like after that you don't know what's real and what's not. So
Yeah.
like I'm like, damn, he thinks we're like totally lying.
That's why I feel a little bit bad about it, is because like there are certain things where it's like,
Yeah, but we kind of screwed ourselves on that.
like I was like, I kind of want to stop this because this whole Danny thing is like really upsetting to me.
She even like shaved her head for the thing too. Like that's why she looked all like had that crazy haircut and
Yeah.
stuff too. Like it was just for like
Nah, that was
added
real.
layers.
That was real.
Layers.
Her hair is really like that.
It is what it is. And who knows what it is, so it's... God.
Yeah, convenient.
His glasses are $3,000.
Whoa.
That was insane. Jesus Christ. Why'd you give me this thing? I thought this was airsoft. I'm never doing that again in my life.
Sam didn't show up to shoot guns with us for like 2 hours, and then when he finally showed up, he was very distant. I'm gonna talk to you again, one-on-one.
About what?
All sorts of stuff.
Why?
Felt like yesterday was like a bit incomplete. Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of good stuff. We left shortly after that.